Hello. You are on the channel Curative CG Computer Graphics. This is the continuation of the Cinema 4D Marathon. In this video you will learn how to model. This video is suitable for beginners. But before we start, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed. And now let's get started. I will open the latest version of Cinema 4D R26. As in the previous video, we will make the program interface, as in the old versions. And if you have not watched the previous lesson, then watch it. Let's create a normal disk first. Let's choose to display the polygon mesh. 16 segments is what we need. If you start modeling, then nothing will work. You need to convert to polygonal mode. I'll switch it to polygon modeling mode by clicking here. Double-clicking on a face selects the entire area. If you click on an empty space in the scene, then we can change the display mode of the scene. I need a front view. By holding Ctrl and the left mouse button, we extrude the edges. I'll squeeze it out again. Select the zoom tool and click on that green corner. This means that it will scale in X and Z coordinates. Right-clicking on an empty scene brings up a menu of modeling tools. Here we will choose Loop Cut. Select the area where we will create new edges. When you click on the button with 3 stripes, the created faces automatically become between the faces. By clicking on the plus, we add additional cycles. By selecting the area of the faces, you can change them and fit them to size. We have a plate. Let's go into polygon mode and select all to see if there are any flipped polygons. Double-click to select all. We see that everything has turned blue. This means that the normals are facing in the opposite direction. It must be yellow. Call up the Tools menu with the right mouse button outside the object and select Reverse Normals here. We see that the polygons have turned around. Let's make the inside of the plate. Let's close the polygons here. I'll choose close polygon hole. Let's add edges here. Let's place the model on a subdivision surface. In order to make the edges hard, you need to add loops around the edges. We add where there will be hard edges and always on both sides. Let's see what we have. I will remove its visibility in the scene. I will create another disk. I will immediately change the mode to polygonal modeling. And in the same way we create another plate model. We see that there are also inverse normals. Let's expand. Let's make hard edges where we want by adding loops. Now we have two plates. I will hide their visibility. Let's create a new disk object. It will be a small plate. The method is the same as with previous models. I'll tweak the form a bit. I will add a hole here. I will add a subdivision surface to it. I will add hard edges. Let's fill our plates. With the help of a regular disc, we will create the illusion that there is liquid here. Let's add various objects to it. Let's take a cube as an example. I will make its corners softer. I will reduce its size and add it to our soup. I will copy and paste this. We will also add a torus. I will reduce it. The first soup is ready. Add food to a small plate. I'll choose a cube and make sausages out of it. I will choose a knife. In order for the move tool to move exactly along the edge, you need to change the mode to normal. I will reduce the model and add it to the plate. I will copy it. Let's add a plane to the scene so that there is no void. I will also add a camera and connect to this camera. Just click on this icon next to the camera. Let's combine the objects together for us to be comfortable. Let's arrange our plates around the stage. Let's fill an empty plate. I will copy the objects from the bowl of soup and transfer them to this object. Let's save our project. Next video we will talk about materials and rendering. Subscribe so you don't miss a new video. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.